Got the Can-Am loaded up. About to go drop it off. It's getting some custom work done to it. So stay tuned. What's good, YouTube? So pretty much just making this video so you guys can check my almost finished product Can-Am. So got the cage on, got the window nets on, and it's been about a week since I took it to get it wrapped. Then did a pretty quick turnaround, and this is it. Fabworks cage, DJ safety nets, if you guys been watching my videos. And I took it to them to get it wrapped. They're here local in Phoenix, Arizona. I also added this grill, DRT grill inserts. I'll be posting the video on that, on the install, right after this one. Just to walk around. It's nice and clean, that's why I'd rather do the video now before I take it out. So I wanted to keep that octane blue still. That's how I pretty much designed it. This is kind of like what I was shooting for. Told them what I wanted, and they put it together. So the reason I say it's almost ready is because I still got a few things I have to do to it. So check these handles out. The doors didn't come with handles, but I found these on Amazon. They're like 20 bucks each. So I did the both rear ones, and I chose them red. It actually matches the handle here. But the reason I chose them red was because red is like emergency. I could have got them black, but I'd rather them be visible. Just in case something was to happen, the red is easy to view, and you know to go straight to that red handle. So these I have to replace still. The reason I haven't is because I have to remove this rivet, and then it just goes bolted onto that. And the other thing is PRP seat belts. I'm only missing the driver's side. Need to install that one. But other than that, it's pretty much all good to go. Let me know what you guys think about it. I really like it. It may not be for everyone. I wanted something more on the simple side, and this is exactly what I envisioned. Get those doors closed. So there it is. My next upgrades, big upgrades that I would like to do would be the clutch kit and a tune. After I do those, I'll probably start going with the suspension, probably get a spring kit, and maybe even revalve. Get the shocks redone. Hopefully more towards the end of the year. But I've done a lot to it, and the results are amazing. At least to me. Well, catch you guys on the next video.
Tengo Mary, Coco, Fendi, tengo el Brody en el trap. Show de 20s, gasto Ferry, Prada para traquetear. Dice así, sigo aquí y no se ha quitado de no. Si es que vengo es donde vengo y no te lo puedo negar. Tengo Mary, Coco, Fendi, tengo el Brody en el trap. Show de 20s, gasto Ferry, Prada para traquetear. Dice así, sigo aquí y no se ha quitado de no. Si es que vengo es donde vengo y no te lo puedo negar. Ma vie, 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 ma vie. Ma vie, ma vie, ma vie.